Hi everyone, this is Brad from TimeToTalkTech.com. If the text in your Outlook inbox is just maybe a little bit too small, or maybe it's too large, whatever it is, here's a real quick way to make it larger or to adjust it. So I'm on the desktop version of Outlook, and what you'll need to do is come up to View. Now, once you select View, you want to select Current View, View Settings, and then you want to select Other Settings. When you do this, you can see your different options that are right in here. So if I want my row font to be changed, I have to select it, and then let's make it 16. Select OK. And then message preview, I'm going to put it at 16 as well. Select OK again. OK one more time. And then on the advanced view settings, select OK again. And there you have it. It's just a little bit larger. Of course, you can just revert back, whatever works for you. Just make sure you go into current view, view settings, and then other settings, and then you can change it back to the way you'd like. So there you go. If you do have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.